Hey, I'm Lori. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do something really fun. I was in the Dollar Tree the other day and I saw these little bath sponges. And for some reason I thought they would be super cute if we tried to make them into flowers on a wreath. So we're going to give that a try today. I have a 14-inch Dollar Tree. So I got these in all different colors, thinking it would be really cute just to do, you know, all different colors on them. Some of them even have little other things on them, but we're going to take them apart anyways because I want to kind of make them into separate things. I even found this one that has all different colors on it. So I think this is going to be the learning part, is taking these apart without making it a mess. So it looks like they're attached down in the middle. So I'm just going to kind of, oh, okay. It has a little piece that is keeping it nice and tight. I'm going to see if I can just kind of pull them out separately. I didn't want to cut it completely because I wanted to at least keep some of the shape. Okay, so we're just going to gather it right back up into the shape it was in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We're going to try and see if we need to keep it in this shape or like cut it in half, doing it with pipe cleaners. Okay, so we'll cut these in half. Okay. I'm going to go around. Oh, I think this is going to be cute. See how it kind of looks like a flower? To me, this kind of looks like a flower. So I'm just tying it in the middle where it was tied in here. Oh, I think I like this. I think I'm going to leave the whole piece. And then I can tie it around the two middle bars. This is going to be cute, I can tell already. Okay. I want to kind of spread it out a little so it does look like a flower. Look how cute that is. Okay. So I'm just going to do that. So just kind of pull it out from this little gathering. Okay, so once I get it pulled out, I'm just going to take my pipe cleaner and go right in the middle. So right where it was already tied. That way I can keep all of this together. So you can see this is where I'm going to tie it in the back. I want to tie it pretty tight because I want to keep these together. This is what gives it the flower look. So then I'll go and tie this one on. I don't want them to be so close together that they can't spread apart. I think we might be able to do it with like 3 in a section. So it might take less than I thought. Okay, so just pull it out. Okay. Grab our pipe cleaner. And the pipe cleaner is going to be buried down in there pretty well, so it doesn't really matter what color you use. Oh, that's cute. That's super cute. Okay, so let's do some others. So it has like a little plastic piece down here that holds it together. I can just kind of pull it up And then it gives us enough to get these pieces out. Okay, so if it comes loose, you just want to gather it in the center. Okay, like that. So when we get to this really colorful one, we'll have to do them, so we'll get to see it a little better. So if you get it and you pulled it all the way out, all you have to do is gather it right in the center, like this. There we go. All right. So we're going to do one of this really colorful one, and then I will do the rest off camera, and then we'll put them on. Just kind of pulling to make sure that it's kind of in the center so we get that nice flower look. There we go. See how we have that nice flower look? Okay. Let's try one of these. Okay, let's see. This one is just tied. So, okay, so what I want to do is just rolled up in a ball. So I'm going to pull it out. Okay. There, so you can see that's about the length of it. I'm going to tuck the edges kind of in a little bit, just so they won't show. And then I'm just going to kind of go right at the center, kind of like we're making a ruffle. Because what you want is that middle part. There. So you can make them yourself. And then the smaller ones I may kind of put maybe in between. The other ones. Okay, so I'm going to get all of the little flower petals ready. And then I'll come back and we'll put it on and figure out how we want to make it look. Okay, so I got them all into the little pieces. I did end up cutting like the ones that we had done earlier. I did cut those in half because I realized that the smaller ones were just super cute. So the ones that just had one color, I really had to cut up anyways because there was so much on that one that it was just too much. So I cut them. And then I had a thought about the yellow. So I took some of the yellow and put it in the middle, and it makes it look even more like a flower. So I tried it a couple of different ways, and what I figured out works best is I just take some of the yellow, open it up, cut little strips, you know, like an inch or so. And then I kind of cut this in half. And I just kind of roll this up. You can fold it over like this to just be like that. Or you can kind of roll it up like from the side. Okay, so that it almost kind of looks like a little rolled bud there. Then I just put a little glue on it, and this is low temperature glue. Okay, grabbed a piece, find the center, and just kind of glue it down. I did kind of press it down just to make sure it's going to glue in there well, but look how cute that is. Okay, so you just kind of roll it up like this. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be in the center. There we go. I need all that. But I thought this would be even cuter. And it's something I can do with the yellow. The yellow's kind of bright. So just to put the yellow in would look a little odd. So I thought I'll just go through and add these in. Now this one I actually rolled in with the white. This one I glued. So I'm going to add the yellow to all of these, and then we're going to put them on. There's also an orange, so I could do the orange. I will tell you that these that are rolled like that don't do quite as nice of a flower, but they do still do one. I think it's just because they weren't bent that way. So you can see you can do it. You can make it look like a flower. It just looks a little different than these. But I'm going to do little centers for these, and then we're going to put them in. So see how I just kind of roll it around itself to just kind of make this little bud here, like that. Then I just get glue along the bottom. Take my little flower, find the center. So you definitely want to use low temperature glue. I just kind of hold it in there for a minute. And look how cute it is with that. That really makes it look like a flower. All right, so I'm going to do these. And then when I come back, okay, so I ended up with about 40 of these, so I could put at least 6 in each section. So there's 6 sections on this. And I'm just going to mix up the colors, but look how cute they are with the little yellow in the middle. And I'm going to tie them on in the middle section, I think. Let's see how we like that. Okay. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. Just like that. I'm going to kind of arrange them to make sure they still look like little flowers. Okay, and I'm going to mix up the colors. So we'll do one section and then I will do the rest off camera. But you can see I'm putting them right in between 2 and 3. think I'm going to put a couple kind of in between the inner ring. Okay. Yeah. Maybe one here and then one kind of in the middle. So we'll still have our 6, but they all won't be clumped up together. We'll kind of have a couple down in front, like this. Okay, so now we have 6 in this section. Okay. I want to make sure you can see all the little centers. Look how cute that is. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. You don't have to put this many in a section. If you want to do a few less, you can. But I'm going to keep going all the way around, and then when I come back, we'll take a look at how it looks. Okay, so I ended up putting about 4 in each section because when I tried to put 6, it was just way too many, and it just really crowded it. And it just didn't look like, you couldn't really tell they were supposed to be flowers. So I went back and I changed it to just be 4 in each section. So you can see with them spread out a little bit better, you can really see it looks more like little flowers, and it's so cute. Let me pull you up so you can see it. I kind of stuck with the pink, purple, and white just because I thought they really kind of went together really well. So that's kind of why I ended up with this. But I think this turned out so cute. And who would have thought you could do this with just the little bath sponges from the Dollar Tree? But I think it's so cute. So if you try this out, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to know when we're going live and when we're uploading new content. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.